The US stock market snapped a losing streak on Friday with a sharp bounce. Notably, September is the first month since January 2021 with the negative dynamics of the US stocks. Currently, the S&P 500 is trading 5% lower than the highs hit on September 2 and 3. The threat of a government shutdown in the United States was resolved on Friday night. The Senate voted for the extension of the government funding until December 3. So, experts predict further growth in the US stock market. Nevertheless, it could be fragile amid the ongoing correction. Hence, it would be a wise decision to invest cautiously in small portions. The S&P 500 closed on Friday with a climb to 4,357 points. Nevertheless, despite significant growth on October 1, the correction on Wall Street is not over yet. The stock index of broad-profile companies closed with a 2.5% weekly losses. In other words, the market found the right balance with the expected corridor between 4,320 and 4,390 points. The US dollar dipped after 4 consecutive weeks of growth after US policymakers managed to settle the limit of the US federal debt. Nevertheless, the greenback is poised to extend strength after a brief pause. The market is anticipating the Fed's announcement that the regulator would scale back its bond purchases from November. Meanwhile, the US dollar index is trading rather high at 93.80 points. It's expected to shift towards the upper border of the range between 93.50 and 94.10. At the same time, the US dollar has given in to pressure of its Canadian rival. The USD CAD pair is trading lower on the back of inflated oil prices. The currency pair slipped to 1.2598. Experts reckon it could decline towards 1.2500. In the early morning, all cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, took a punch. The Hong Kong exchange halted trading shares of China's indebted developer, Evergrande. We assume the crypto market will revive until tonight, as Chinese trading floors are shut for a one-week holiday called the Golden Week. Interestingly, the number of long positions in the crypto market is rising. That indicates a bullish wave. Currently, Bitcoin is trading at near $47,900. Analysts are certain that it will surpass the crucial level of $50,000 per token in a couple of days. To sum up, the looming government shutdown was averted in the US last week. This helped the stock market rebound from lows on Friday. Still, the challenge of the swelling public debt is negative for the US credit rating. This has been already announced by Fitch, one of the 3 reputable rating agencies. The most plausible scenario for US stocks is a bullish wave that will be followed by a decline. And this week all eyes are on the 2 major reports on the US labor market for September that are due on Wednesday and Friday. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.